Okay.
You didn't bring it up here.
Yeah, I know. We've got to do this one first. That was a joke.
You didn't bring it up.
Yeah, I did. I was wearing it.
You wasn't.
Yes, I was. In another argument, sorry. It's raining outside. There's nothing to do, so we're in Jake's house. Who's playing Black Ops? Hey, Jake.
Hi.
So I'm just going to show you around. I'm really bored. Okay, right. Lucy's fast asleep on the floor, and she looks like a douchebag. Damn all them douchey girls. They only gonna do you well 'cause she is a faggy. Because I am bored, what? I'm going to put fake poo on her and see what she does when she wakes up. Where's the fake poo, Jake?
What?
Lucy, go back to sleep.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about me and you there.
I don't want to know. Oh, God.
Bugger off then.
Why?
Go back to sleep. No lunching. I'm not.
Oh, I think Submit does.
Submit. Right, okay, fall asleep. Go back to sleep.
Go away.
Okay. Just wait a couple more minutes. She's asleep. Where's the poo?
I put it behind the pillow.
What pillow?
No, I mean, and behind that bag what I was wearing now.
I'm going to put this right next to her head. Come to my glass. What charger connected? Pants are falling down. Lucy.
Oh.
Lucy, wake up!
Why?
We have to go. Mum's
Why?
picking us up.
Is that the fake one?
Yeah.
Ew, you knew.
Isn't she fit?
Such a noob.
Like if she's fit, comment if she's not.
No, people comment she's fit. No, we don't. Hey, I am fit. Not when I'm sleeping.
Okay, oh my god, my head.
Oh, eat it, you mom.
I didn't actually do it.
That looks so real. Ask her.
This turns my head. Okay, right, ciao.